Hi all, hope all of you are doing good. Today I will show you how you can actually add metafields on your Shopify store. So what are basically metafields? Metafields are some additional informations that you wanted to show on your products. Basically on our Shopify backend where we add the products, we have got fields to add the title, description, SKUs and all these things only. If we wanted to add some additional information on the product, for example, if it is a clothing store, you wanted to add care instruction for your product. The care instruction will not be same for all the products on your store, right? It will be different for different products. So if you want to add such kind of additional information on your products, you can use Metafields to add that. I will show you how you can add it in the Dawn theme. Let's get into the video. So this is my online test store where I have these two products, midi dress and stripe cotton dress. I want to add some additional information to each of these products apart from the general product description we add on the back end. I want to add additional information like care instructions for these two products. So how do I do that? That's what we are discussing now. For doing that, you have to go to settings. Then when you scroll down, you can see custom data over here. Click on that. Choose products from here. So this is where we add the metafields. You can add metafields for your products. You can add metafields for the variants, for the collections, for customers. For all these, you can add metafields. So let us choose products from here. And you have to click on add definition. Here you can give the name of the metafield. So let me give care instructions. Here if you want you can add a description or it is optional. If you don't want, you don't have to add that. Now you need to definitely choose the type of the care instruction metafield that we are going to give. You have to click on this plus icon which says select type. Click on that and here you can see what are the different types of metafields that we have. There is a single line text, multi-line text, integer, decimal, product, all these you can. All these are the options that you have. So let me choose multi-line text because I will have multiple lines of text to add in the care instructions. So I'm going to click on save. Now you can close this. Now come back to your product. Choose the product that you want to add those additional information. So let me choose midi dress. Now you can see that you have the metafield that we added in the backend where we added it from the custom data. You can see that metafield over here at the bottom after the search engine listing, and it will have the name of the name that we have given, and here when you click you will get this text field where you can add multiple lines of text. So let me add the care instruction that I want to give for this particular dress. So for example, hand wash, and you have to save. Now let us choose the other dress. If you scroll down, here also you can see the care instruction and you can add a different care instruction for this product. Here we are giving machine wash. So in this way you can add different additional information for different product. Now let us see how we can bring it over the front end. So when we click on this product, we want the customer to see a new tab called care instruction, and when they click that, we want them to show the care instruction for this particular product. Now that's what we are going to check next. So for that, go to online store. Now you need to click customize. From this drop down, you have to choose the product template. Now this is the area where we are showing the product informations. So you can click on this add block over here. And let us choose collapsible row. Okay, so this row has come over here and we can click on that and you can change the heading over here. Let us give care instructions. Here you can choose what has to be the icon that is shown over there. So what icon we will choose? Okay, let us choose a star. Okay, anything, you can choose anything from here. And now this block, like that is asking the row content, that is where they are asking what should be the content that have to go here. If you want to add a static content for all the products that are using this default product template, you can add that static content over here. Okay, so what happens is for everywhere, whichever product is using this default product template, it will show this content over here that we added over here. But this is not what we want. We want it to show the care instruction that we added as a meta field for each individual product. So how do we do that? So we can remove this and you can see this icon over here which says insert dynamic source. Click on that, and when you click there, you can see in the product main page what are the dynamic contents that we can add. When you can see the name of the meta field that we have added in the backend. So you see this is the meta field that we added. Care instructions is the name. Then it is a multi-line text. You can easily identify from here. Choose that. So now what happens is dynamically whatever is the care instructions that we added as a meta field for each product will be shown as the row content over here. Now you can click on save. Let us go to the front end. You see here it is shown hand wash only. This is the care instruction that we added for this product. Now let us choose the other product, this product, and see machine wash. So it has come from the beta field that we added. So in this way you can add additional informations which you cannot add in the product description as separate data using meta fields. So all of you please try it out and let me know your feedback. Please don't forget to subscribe to our channel and give a like if you like the video.